For women over 60, few things are as persistent and embarrassing as a fungal infection, like athlete's foot, that just won't go away. But what if the solution wasn't an expensive pharmacy cream, but a powerful topical remedy made from 3 ancient ingredients? This traditional mixture of garlic, clove, and tea tree oil often succeeds where modern treatments fail. From experience, this mixture also treats 9 other problems that women over 60 face. And stick around until the very end, because the secret at number 1 is a surprising tip for one of the most common pains you might feel. Stay with me, madam, and the exact method for that stubborn foot fungus is waiting for you at number 6. Let's begin. Problem number 10. Joint pain and morning stiffness. Let's start with that moment in the morning that you know all too well. You reach for a jar of coffee, and your fingers feel stiff, refusing to cooperate. That aching feeling in the joints of your hands can be a frustrating way to start your day. Your discomfort is often caused by inflammation, and this is where our ingredients can provide you with soothing relief. Here's how you can create your own warming massage oil. First, get a small glass bottle. Fill it about halfway with a good quality carrier oil, like olive oil. Then, add 1 finely minced garlic clove, 1 whole clove, and 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Now, seal the bottle. Let it sit in a dark, cool place for at least 24 hours. This allows the power of the ingredients to infuse into the oil. To use it, pour a small amount into your palm. Gently massage it into your sore joints for 3 to 5 minutes. Use gentle, circular motions. A professional tip for your best results is to warm the oil slightly before you apply it. You can do this by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. This warmth helps the oil penetrate deeper and gives you an immediate comforting sensation. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor for serious conditions. Now, while this oil is fantastic for the stiffness in your hands, our next secret at number 9 targets an embarrassing problem you might be dealing with on your scalp. Problem number 9. Stubborn dandruff and itchy scalp. Are you tired of that constant maddening itch on your scalp? Or the embarrassment of seeing white flakes on the shoulders of your favorite dark sweater? The root cause of your dandruff often isn't just dryness. It's a mild fungal overgrowth causing irritation and all that flaking you see. Tea tree oil is the star ingredient for this problem. It is world-renowned for its powerful natural antifungal properties, helping you address the root cause of the issue. Here is how you can create a pre-shampoo scalp treatment for yourself. First, in a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, like olive oil, with just 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil and 1 drop of clove oil. Next, part your hair into sections. Use your fingertips to massage this oil mixture directly into your scalp. Make sure you cover the entire area. Let the treatment sit for at least 30 minutes to work its magic. Afterward, wash your hair as you normally would. A common mistake you should avoid is using tea tree oil directly on your scalp without diluting it. It is incredibly potent and can cause irritation if you use it straight. So now you have a solution for a healthy scalp. But let's move on to another private and uncomfortable skin issue that many of us face in silence, especially in warmer weather. Problem number 8. Soothing rashes and skin chafing. As you've aged, you might have noticed your skin has become thinner and more sensitive. This can lead to those painful, red rashes from friction, a condition known as chafing. It's an uncomfortable problem that can make simple activities like walking a painful ordeal. This remedy focuses on the antibacterial and soothing properties of the ingredients to calm your irritated skin. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic, which helps keep the area clean, while clove oil can gently numb that stinging sensation you feel. Here's how you can create your own soothing balm. Start with a base of a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Gently warm it until it melts, then let it cool slightly. Now stir in 2 crushed garlic cloves, 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 2 drops of clove oil. Let the mixture cool and solidify. To use it, take a small amount on your fingertips. Gently pat it onto your clean, dry, irritated skin. Do not rub. Just apply a thin, protective layer. What can you expect? You should feel a soothing, cooling sensation almost immediately. The redness should begin to calm down within a few hours. That balm can bring you incredible comfort. But the tip at number 7 is an emergency solution you absolutely must know for one of the worst pains imaginable. Problem number 7, emergency toothache and gum relief. There is almost no pain as distracting as a toothache, especially when it strikes in the middle of the night. For centuries, the go-to home remedy for this exact problem has been clove. Clove oil is a powerful natural anesthetic, and it's designed to give you temporary relief until you can get to a dentist. Here is the method for you to use. You will need a simple cotton ball. Dilute 1 drop of clove oil with 1 drop of olive oil. Never use clove oil undiluted. Now, soak the cotton in this mixture and gently place it against your aching tooth or inflamed gum area. A friend of mine, Robert, once woke up at 2 a.m. with a throbbing toothache. He remembered this old trick, applied the diluted clove oil, and he said the numbing relief was almost instant, allowing him to get back to sleep. Remember, this is an emergency solution only. It is not a substitute for seeing your dentist. As powerful as that is for temporary relief, we've now arrived at the main promise from our introduction. If you are one of the millions struggling with stubborn foot fungus, you need to listen very closely to what comes next at number 6. Problem number 6, treating stubborn athlete's foot. Here we are, that relentless, itchy, and embarrassing foot fungus that seems to resist every cream and powder you throw at it. The reason this problem is so hard for you to solve is that fungus is incredibly resilient. This is where you bring out the heavy artillery. This mixture combines the powerful antifungal properties of all 3 ingredients: garlic, clove, and tea tree oil. Here is the exact method for you. First, create an infused oil. In a small glass jar, combine a 1/4 cup of olive oil with 2 crushed garlic cloves, 2 whole cloves, and 10 drops of pure tea tree oil. Seal it and let it infuse for at least 48 hours. To use the treatment, the first step is always to wash and, most importantly, completely dry your feet. Fungus loves moisture, so this step is critical. Use a hairdryer on a low, cool setting to get the area between your toes bone dry. Then, apply your infused oil all over your feet. Put on a pair of clean cotton socks and leave it on overnight. You must do this every single night. Using high-quality, 100% pure tea tree oil is the key to your success. I have left a link to the brand I trust in the description box below. Now that you have the secret for your feet, let's talk about a problem that can appear on your face and hands. The next tip at number 5 is one you'll want to be very consistent with. Problem number 5. Reducing the appearance of age spots. Those flat brown marks on your hands, face, and chest are a common sign of a life lived in the sun. They can make you feel that your skin looks older than it should. The key to reducing their appearance is encouraging your skin's cell turnover. This is where the natural properties of our ingredients can help you. For this, you will create a targeted nighttime spot treatment. Mince 1 clove of garlic very finely. Mix this paste with a drop of olive oil and a single drop of tea tree oil. In the evening, after washing your face, apply the tiniest amount of this potent mixture directly onto the age spot itself. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then gently wipe it off. The key to your success with this remedy is consistency. You will not see results overnight. You must apply this treatment consistently for several weeks. From your face, we move to another stubborn problem that can appear anywhere on your body. The method for number 4 requires patience, but the results can be remarkable. Problem number 4, natural wart treatment. Warts are stubborn growths caused by a virus. While they are usually harmless, they can be unsightly and make you feel uncomfortable. The key to treating them naturally is to use ingredients with strong antiviral properties, which all 3 of our core ingredients are known for. This is a remedy that requires your patience and consistency. First, mince a small piece of a garlic clove. Then add a single drop of clove oil and a single drop of tea tree oil to create a very potent, thick paste. In the evening, apply a tiny amount of this paste directly onto the wart. Be very careful not to get it on the surrounding healthy skin. Cover the wart with a small bandage and leave it on overnight. In the morning, remove the bandage and clean the area. You must repeat this process every single night. Over a period of 1 to 3 weeks, you may notice the wart starting to shrink. This topical remedy is powerful, but what about problems you feel inside your chest? The secret at number 3 is a different way to use these ingredients that you might not expect. Problem number 3. Soothing a cough with a chest rub. If you don't like the idea of consuming garlic, a topical chest rub is a fantastic alternative for soothing your cough, especially at night. The warmth from your body helps to vaporize the essential oils, allowing you to inhale them as you breathe, which can help loosen congestion. Here is how you can create the rub. You'll need a thicker base. Gently melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once melted, stir in 1 crushed garlic clove, 3 drops of tea tree oil, and 2 drops of clove oil. Let the mixture cool and solidify into a balm. Before bed, rub a small amount of this balm onto your chest and upper back. The warmth from your skin will release the vapors, helping to quiet your nighttime cough. This helps you breathe easier at night. But what about the pain you might feel during the day? The problem we're tackling at number 2 is one of the most common complaints of modern life. Problem number 2. Relieving a tension headache. That feeling of a tight band squeezing around your head, often caused by the stress and fatigue of your day, can be debilitating. Instead of immediately reaching for a pill, you can try this simple topical remedy. The key here is the combined effect of the ingredients and your massage. Clove oil acts as a mild pain reliever, while the scent of tea tree oil can be very relaxing. Here's what you do. Create a diluted massage oil by mixing 3 to 4 drops of your main infused oil with a tablespoon of a plain carrier oil and add 1 extra drop of tea tree oil. Take a small amount of this oil on your fingertips and gently massage it into your temples, your forehead, and the muscles at the back of your neck. Use small, firm, circular motions. Close your eyes, take slow, deep breaths, and focus on releasing the tension in those muscles. You can often feel significant relief within 15 to 20 minutes. And now, for our final secret. We've talked about fungus, pain, and skin irritations, but the tip at number 1 is a surprising beauty treatment to help your skin look as vibrant as you feel. Problem number 1. The anti-aging purifying face mask. While we can't turn back time, we can protect our skin and give it a radiant glow. This mask is designed to purify your skin and fight off the environmental damage that can accelerate aging. The power lies in the ingredients. The antioxidants in garlic and cloves fight free radicals, which cause wrinkles and dullness. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural cleanser that purifies your pores. For this mask, we'll combine our oil with a gentle, nourishing base, raw honey. Here is the recipe for you. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with just 2 to 3 drops of your infused garlic, clove, and tea tree oil. Apply a thin layer of this mixture to your clean, damp face, avoiding the sensitive eye area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. To remove it, wet your fingertips with warm water and gently massage your face to loosen the mask, then rinse thoroughly. Your skin will be left feeling incredibly clean, soft, and visibly brighter.